Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Nivin Balamurugan from Oogyy. In this video, I will be giving you some tips and tricks that you can use to create high quality teaching videos with or without showing your face. So if you are looking to create high quality teaching videos just using your smartphone, then this video is definitely for you. So don't skip the video, watch the video till last. So let's now deep dive into the video now. Okay, so first let us explore what are the different methods available out there to create a high quality teaching video just using our smartphone. So basically there are two methods to create a normal basic video. Number one, using entry level studio gears or a studio setup with self presentation like me presenting now. Or number two, you can create video either using Google resources or your own resources and adding a voice track later without showing your face. You can also create videos with recording your own online teaching sessions using digital tools like Oogyy. So these are the two methods to create a simple teaching video. So now let's deep dive into these two methods. Method number one, creating a video using entry-level studio gears and self-presentation. So this is the most common and traditional way to create a video. In this method, we may need some of the entry-level shooting gears like basic collar mic, a tripod and a basic lighting setup. But if you are starting out and if you can't afford these gadgets, you can always start with your smartphone and your own earphone. But the quality may be compromised. And if you're looking to buy the best gadgets in the market, we have listed every gadget's buy link in the description. Click the link in description to buy and start your videography today. Method number two, creating a voiceover video. This is the method that most of the educators use to create a video for their students without showing their face. The advantage of this method that we don't need a studio setup or a shooting gears to create a video, and it's a low time consuming process, hence more videos can be created at the same time. But maybe there are some compromises in your videos quality and details. So in this case, we introduce Oogyy, which helps you to record and save your own online teaching sessions for later use. Using digital tools like Oogyy always makes your content creation process way more easier. So finally, we have gone through some of the easiest method to create high quality teaching videos just using your smartphone. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and share. And if you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment section below. Signing off from Nivin. Bye.